Welcome to our advanced dairy facility, where we ensure the highest standards of cow care and milk production. Each cow receives scientifically balanced feed to maintain optimal health and milk quality. Fresh, filtered water is essential for high-quality milk production. We clean the cows thoroughly before milking to ensure hygiene. Automated cleaning ensures every cow is hygienically prepared. Drying maintains comfort and prevents contamination. Health checks ensure only high-quality milk enters production.
All right, team, keep them moving steadily towards the play area. Good pace, let's open up the space.
Healthy activity supports better milk production. Rest is essential for maintaining productivity and animal well-being.
Milk is stored under controlled conditions before processing.
Cooling preserves freshness and quality.
We now separate cream for butter and skim milk for powder production. This cream will be processed into high-quality butter using controlled churning systems.
Churning breaks down fat molecules to form butter solids.
Separation ensures pure butter extraction. Kneading improves texture and consistency. Packaging preserves freshness and quality. Spray drying removes moisture to form milk powder.
Sieving ensures uniform particle size. Products are now ready for distribution. Our finished products are now prepared for distribution using advanced logistics systems.
We deliver products efficiently across regions.
Sorting ensures precise delivery to global markets.
Our products are now entering the retail market. Presentation ensures quality and customer trust.
This butter looks good.
Yeah, and this milk powder is a good deal.
Perfect. Let's get both.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Milk powder is reconstituted easily for consumption. This toast with butter is delicious.
I love the milk.
The mashed potatoes are so creamy.
It's the best.
Our products serve customers worldwide.
Automation guarantees consistency and efficiency. We combine innovation, care, and advanced technology to deliver the highest quality products. If you enjoyed what we do, please like and subscribe to One and Only Factory. See you in the next video.